In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Notion templates to simplify and streamline your Notion workspace experience. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, templates can be a real game changer for organizing your projects, tasks, and more. We'll guide you through the process of finding and utilizing templates that best suit your needs. Let's dive in. First, open up your Notion app and begin by clicking on your profile icon. This can typically be found in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll have access to several options for customization and setting adjustments within Notion. This menu serves as the central hub for personalizing your workspace, so it's a useful spot to familiarize yourself with. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Templates. This selection will guide you to Notion's vast library of pre-designed templates that you can incorporate into your project workflows. Notion's templates are exceptionally versatile and cater to a variety of needs from personal to work-related tasks, making this feature a cornerstone for enhancing productivity. Once you find yourself in the Templates section, direct your attention to the search bar. This tool is a significant asset when you're navigating the extensive range of Notion templates available. By using the search bar, you can quickly narrow down your options by typing in specific keywords that match the template you have in mind. This could be anything from project management, content calendars, to-do lists, or even personal planning templates. By having a clear idea of what you're looking for, this step will save you a great deal of browsing time. However, if you're unsure what template would be most beneficial, or if you're open to new ideas, feel free to explore the range of template options Notion has curated for different sections. Browse through the categories and see what catches your eye. Notion often updates and expands its collection, so there's always something new to discover that could revolutionize the way you work. Once you find a template that suits your needs, it's as simple as selecting it to bring it into your own workspace. You can then make any necessary adjustments and personalize it according to your preferences. So, there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're well equipped to take full advantage of Notion templates, paving the way for a more organized, efficient, and personalized workflow. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different templates until you find the perfect fit for your routine. Thanks for watching. Happy planning!